Welcome back to Saas Pro, where we break down the tools that level up your digital workflow. Today we're diving into the 5 best free video editing programs for Windows, giving you a quick, clean guide to what each one offers and why they're worth trying. Stick with me as we move through the lineup. Now let's get started. At number 5 on our list, we have Microsoft Clipchamp, a beginner-friendly but surprisingly powerful editor with a 4.1 rating out of 5 and more than 15,000 reviews on the Microsoft Store. It's built for quick, clean, accessible video creation, whether you're posting on social platforms or building tutorials. Easy editing features: cut, trim, crop, rotate, adjust speed, add or remove audio, filters and transitions, all with a simple drag-and-drop layout. AI-powered tools: auto-compose short videos, generate lifelike text-to-speech with 170 voices, and create captions in 140 languages. Built-in recording: capture your camera, microphone, or screen to instantly build tutorials, presentations, and reaction content. Now let's move through the interface. When I click the Home tab, I see recent projects, recommended actions, and a clean workspace that guides me into editing. Inside Brand Kit, the page lets me upload logos, choose brand colors, and set consistent styling across every video. Heading into Templates, I browse ready-made layouts for gaming, business, promos, and YouTube, each one customizable with text and media. Selecting Create Video with AI, the screen invites me to describe the video I want, and Clipchamp generates a starting structure automatically. Finally, when I choose Create New Video, the main timeline opens with a large preview window, drag-and-drop media tools, stock assets, transitions, effects, and clear controls arranged neatly along the left panel. This layout keeps everything organized and beginner-friendly, while still giving you the power to create polished videos quickly. At number 4 on our list, we have CapCut, a highly rated editor sitting at 4.8 out of 5. With over 66,000 reviews. It's built to help creators make polished videos, shorts, and edits using simple tools, smart automation, and advanced features when you need them. Basic editing tools: trim, split, merge, adjust speed, add transitions, and highlight key moments with smooth zooms and freeze effects. Advanced video editing: use keyframes, stabilizer, slow motion tools, and chroma key effects for pro-level edits. Intelligent automation: auto captions, text-to-speech, and background removal help speed up your workflow with accurate AI-powered precision. Now let's walk through the interface so you can picture the layout. On the home screen, you'll see your recent projects, quick tools, and recommendations that guide you into editing right away. When I tap Create Project in the Home tab, CapCut opens a clean workspace where you can import clips and start building on the multi-track timeline. Moving to Making Shorts, Video Translation with AI, you get a dedicated section where text, audio, and captions can be automatically translated for quick social-ready short-form content. Inside AI Designs, CapCut shows pre-built visual styles and creative layouts powered by AI, giving you templates you can apply in a single click. And finally, Create with AI opens a guided panel where you describe the type of video you want, and CapCut generates a structured starting project. Everything is laid out to keep editing smooth, organized, and fast, perfect for both beginners and advanced creators who want control without complexity. At number 3 on our list, we have PowerDirector 365. A powerful AI-driven video editor with a 3.4 rating and over 475 reviews on the Microsoft Store. This app is built to help you create cinematic videos with professional tools, smart automation, and a huge library of visual and audio assets. AI Background Remover: instantly cut out your subject or remove the background with precise AI masking. AI Talking Avatar: turn any image into a moving, speaking avatar for creative storytelling. AI Music Generator: create royalty-free soundtracks that match the mood and style of your video. Now let's take a quick look at the interface. On the new project screen, you're met with a clean workspace where you can set up your timeline and start editing right away. When you move to Open Previous Project, you'll see your saved edits neatly organized so you can jump back in with one click. Next, the Auto Edit option shows an AI-assisted tool that assembles your photos and clips into a complete video instantly. Over an image to video, you'll find a simple layout that transforms still images into animated sequences with smooth transitions. And finally, AI Speech and Anime Effects opens a panel full of futuristic tools, where you can generate voices, subtitles, or anime-style visuals to enhance your creativity. That's a quick walkthrough of PowerDirector 360. Clear layout, sharp tools, and plenty of AI power packed inside. At number 2 on our list, we have Animatica, a simple and creator-friendly editor that holds a 4.3 rating out of 5 with over 23,000 reviews. It's designed for anyone who wants to make clean, polished videos, slideshows, or social-ready content without getting lost in complicated tools. With that, let's break down how it works. Beginner-friendly editing tools. Quickly trim, join, crop, rotate, freeze, or speed adjust your clips with a clean, intuitive timeline. Creative visual effects. Apply filters, transitions, animated titles, stickers, color correction, and even chroma key effects to level up your videos. Flexible output options. Export widescreen, square, or vertical formats for platforms like YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and more. Now let's step through the interface so you can picture the layout. When I click New Project, Animatica opens a clean workspace where I can name the project and set the aspect ratio right away. Inside Open a Project, I see previously saved edits arranged neatly, making it easy to jump back into older work. Moving into the Project Prepare tools, the panel gives quick access to project settings, aspect ratios, and base adjustments before layering edits. Then on Quick Tools, the app shows fast actions like trim, merge, rotate, resize, or convert simple one-click operations for quick edits. And on the 3 horizontal lines, the menu expands into Settings, Help Options, Store Upgrades, and General Preferences that keep things organized. Animatica stays clean, smooth, and inviting, making it an ideal pick for beginners who want powerful features without the chaos. At number 1 on our list, we've got Movie Maker, Video Editor, a clean and powerful editing app built for Windows. It holds a 4.3 out of 5 rating with over 18,000 reviews, and is designed to help you create videos for YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram without any editing experience. Here are 3 standout features. Slideshow and Video Builder. Quickly turn your photos and clips into a smooth, polished movie. Full HD export with no watermark. Create professional-looking videos without any branding. Text, effects, and audio tools. Add titles, transitions, filters, music, and voiceovers in seconds. Now let's walk through the interface. When you tap Create New Project on the home screen, you're taken into a simple timeline layout, where you can drop in photos, clips, and music. Next, moving into Manage Project, you'll see options to save, load, and organize your editing files so you can return to your work anytime. Heading over to Convert Video, the app opens a clean converter panel where you can change formats or compress a clip with just a couple of clicks. Then, inside Record Video, the interface switches to a minimal recording window, letting you capture footage directly from your webcam. Finally, the color grading section brings up adjustment controls where you can tweak brightness, contrast, and tones to give your video a finished look. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this.